कैरियर क्राफ्टर, अपने सफल करियर का निर्माण करें।
What does FTP stands for? Fast Transfer Protocol, File Transfer Protocol, Fast Transmission Process, or File Transmission Protocol? The correct option is File Transfer Protocol. File Transfer Protocol is a standard set of rules used to transfer file between a client and a server over a network, such as the internet. To protect our computer from viruses, which of the following can be used? Antivirus software, disk cleanup, file explorer, or task manager? The correct option is antivirus software. Antivirus software is a security program designed to prevent, detect, and remove the miscellaneous software such as virus, trojan, and ransomware from your computer or network. Which key is used to refresh a web page? Options are F1, F2, F5, or F12. The correct option is F5. A web page is a single digital document that you view in a web browser. Which of the following is an example of application software? Options are Notepad, BIOS, Linux, or Mac OS. The correct option is Notepad. Application software is a type of computer program designed to perform specific personal, educational, or business tasks for end users. Which of the following is a programming language? Options are Chrome, Python, Windows, or Opera. The correct option is Python. A programming language is a formal set of instructions used to communicate with a computer. What is the purpose of a firewall in a computer network? To speed up the internet, to boost Wi-Fi signals, to protect against unauthorized access, to manage network traffic. The correct option is to protect against unauthorized access. A firewall is a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing traffic based on predetermined security rules to establish a barrier between trusted network and an untrusted one. Which is file format is used for MS Office Word document? The options are .xlsx, .jpg, .docx, or .pptx. The correct option is .docx. The easiest way to identify a file format is by the file extension, which is the set of characters following the dots at the end of a file name. What does the shortcut key Ctrl+C do? Copies the selected text, save the document, paste the copy text, or cut the selected text. The correct option is copies the selected text. Most shortcuts involves pressing a modifier key followed by the character key. Which of the following is a popular spreadsheet application? MS Excel, MS Word, MS Access, or MS PowerPoint? MS Excel. A spreadsheet application is a type of computer program used to store, organize, and analyze data in a grid of row and column. What does SSD stands for? Standard storage disk, static state disk, solid state drive, solid storage drive. The correct option is solid state drive. SSD is a modern type of computer storage device that uses integrated circuit assemblies to store data persistently, typically using flash memory. What is the full form of LAN? Local Area Network, Local Access Network, Long Area Network, या Large Access Network. The correct option is Local Area Network. LAN is a private computer network that interconnects devices like computers, printers, and servers within a small limited geographic, such as a single home office or building. Which of the following is an example of open source operating system? The options are Windows, Mac OS, iOS, or Linux. The correct option is Linux. An open source operating system is software whose original source code is made freely available to the public, allowing anyone to view, modify, and redistribute it for any purpose. The main page of a website is called bookmark, homepage, browser, or tab. The correct option is homepage. A website is a collection of related web pages, images, video, and digital assets that are hosted on at least one web server and accessible via the internet through a web address. What does the shortcut key Ctrl+B do? Copies the selected text, paste the copied text, select all text, or cut the selected text. The correct option is paste the copied text. In computing, cut, copy, and paste are the three fundamental commands used for clipboard management. Which of the following devices is used to connect to a wireless network? The options are graphic card, network interface card, Wi-Fi adapter, or sound card. The correct option is Wi-Fi adapter. Wi-Fi is a wireless networking technology that allows devices like smartphones, computers, and tablets to connect to the internet and each other without physical cables. Which software allow user to create text documents? The options are MS PowerPoint, MS Word, MS Access, or MS Excel. The correct option is MS Word. Microsoft Word is designed to help you create, edit, format, and share high-quality documents like resume, reports, letters, and essays. What does the term booting refers to? Installing software, deleting files, shutting down the computer, or starting up the computer. The correct option is starting up the computer. Booting is the initial process to start up the computer system when you turn it on. It involves initializing hardware components and loading the operating system into the computer's main memory so the system becomes ready to use. Which of the following is a widely used emails protocol? The options is FTP, SSL, SMTP, or HTTP. The correct option is SMTP. SMTP stands for a simple mail transfer protocol. It is the standard technical rule book for transmitting electronic mail across the internet. Which key combination is used to force quit an application in Windows? The options are Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, Ctrl plus F4 or Alt plus F4. The correct option is Alt plus F4. Pressing Alt plus F4 is the standard way to kill a process that is refused to close. Which of the following storage devices uses magnetic disk to store data? The options are HDD, SSD, CD-ROM or USB flash drive. The correct option is HDD. A hard disk drive is an electromagnetic data storage device that uses magnetic storage to store and retrieve digital information using one or more rigid, rapidly rotating disks called patterns. Which of the following is a type of malware? Spreadsheet, viruses, presentation, or emails? The correct option is viruses. Malware is any code or program intentionally designed to damage, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to a computer system, network, or device. What is the main purpose of cache memory? To increase storage capacity, to backup data, to speed up data, or to display graphics? The correct option is to speed up data. Cache memory is a small ultra-fast type of volatile memory located close to CPU that stores frequently accessed data and instruction to reduce the time and processes spent waiting for information from the slower main memory RAM. Scanner is an example of input device, output device, storage, or virtual memory. The correct option is input device. A scanner is an electronic input device that uses light capturing sensors such as a CCD or CIS to convert physical documents and images into digital formats for editing, storage, or archiving. Which of the following is the shortcut key to rename a folder? The options are F1, F2, F3, or F4. The correct option is F2. On many laptops and desktops, tapping F2 during the boot process is the primary shortcut to enter the BIOS or UEFI firmware setting. What is the full form of email? Engagement mail, electric mail, electronic mail, or exchange mail? The correct option is electronic mail. The first email from the space was sent in 1991 by astronauts.